Hello students, this is a tutorial on how to find journal articles on your Luna Community College library website. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to the Luna Community College website. It is luna.edu. From there, you need to go to Students tab, and from there you can select the Learning Resource Center. Okay, the Learning Resource Center is the library here at Luna Community College. And from there, you can scroll down all the way to Find Articles. So under this Find Articles section, you have a selection of databases to choose from. And in order to get into these databases, you might need a username and password. But I have posted that on the the course tools folder. It's right under your getting started folder in your class, you know, where the modules are. That's where they're at. So this is what document I posted right here. This is how it looks. So depending on which database you choose, you might have to enter a username and password, and those are given to you over here on this document. Okay, so back to the library page. So let's choose the EBSCO host database. So let's click on that. And this one does require you to put your username and password. So let's take a look at that document that I posted. And the EBSCO host database, the username is Luna and the password is LRC database at 5333. Make sure you got all your capital letters correct, and the numbers and the symbols. Okay, so let's go ahead and type that in. So Luna would be the username and the password LRC database at 5333. Let's make sure we got that right. Okay, yes. Okay, let's see if it lets us. All right, so it let us sign into the EBSCO host database. So what you want to do now is click on the host web here. And from there, you can look at some databases depending on subject matter, such as education, environment, history. So let's just scroll down and go ahead and click on the academic search, just the basic academic search database section here. Okay, so it now gives you a search bar where you can type in the topic that you chose. So if you chose entrepreneurship, you can type that in. If you chose international business, you can type that in. Um, let's type in business ethics. See what journal articles will show up with business ethics. So type in the topic, and there are some articles that show up, but then also some videos. You might want to filter the source on the left-hand side here to academic journals. So it goes directly just to journals. And let's take a look here. The journal articles show up on the search, and you can click on the PDF file. Let's take a look at this one here. So when you click on the PDF, you can print it out or you can read it off the database here. So this is a journal article. This one has, let's see how long this one is. This one's 39 pages long. You can search for shorter articles if you want, or something that interests you, maybe the topic into business ethics or whatever topic you chose. You might want to search a little bit to see something that you really want to read. So this one is about 39 pages, and what you would do is, go ahead and read this, and then go ahead and write your journal article summary. All right, so that is a quick tutorial on how to find journal articles on your Luna Community College Library website. All right, if you have any questions or concerns, please give me an email on the Blackboard email, or you can visit me during virtual office hours. All right, have a good day.